Hi guys. Today I am going to uh, enable the Okta. The Okta is basically for the SSO single sign-on, which is I'm going to use with the Google. So the way to go to the Okta is to try Okta. You need to open okta.com and go with the free trial. Here I need to provide the details. It asks for the work email ID, which is amit.pandey@techizone.co.in. So once I do that, is a need to select the region. It will provide me the this detail. Just click on the startup and it will generate a URL like this is a login and this one is the URL. So only I need to go to this URL, just copy it from here and paste it in anywhere in the notepad or anywhere you want. Just open this, put it here and try with the email ID. So once it's done, you will receive an email on your mail ID. So I'm just waiting for it. So once it's done, this is admin.google.com. So first of all, I need to open the admin.google.com, which I already shown you uh, in my previous video, identity and access management. So just techizone.co.in. Just log in into the admin console of the GCP. So this is my admin console. You can go to the dashboard and as well as with this, I will open the techizone.co.okta.com. Connecting to the techizone is a username and username is amit.pandey at techie zone.co.in, and I did not receive my password yet. So let's see how can I reset the password. Forget password and this is my email ID. Next, verify with the email ID. So I will get the email, discard it and go to the mailbox. So let it receive the email first. So wait for that till. So once it's complete, I have received the password reset request and I have reset the password. So now I'm going to log in with my new password here. Once I logged in into the Okta, it will show me the Okta console here. It's the admin port. Just click on the admin and need to is a set up phone. Is a I N D I A India mobile number 8076. Just removing this 08076. Receive SMS code and password here. New password not received. Did not receive the password yet, so wait for the password. I was not able to get the uh, code, so that's why I have going to the Okta verify. So once I open this, it's showing me this to the Android Play Google Play Store. I have downloaded the Okta verify, just opening it and scanning this to my Okta application. Just getting started. Next, way to verify. Ready to scan, and I'm scanning this. Okay, now it's scanned and enable. Okta has been enabled in my mobile, so just finished it and go to home page and just enter code 965412. So verified. Now I logged into the admin portal. Yes, here this is my Okta dashboard. You can see it's a single sign on, add app. Just click on the add app here, and it's asking to search the application. I'm searching Google Cloud platform. Okay, now is open the Google Cloud platform overview, use case, single sign on. So again, I'm searching Google Cloud platform SAML, add. So once I will add it, it will give me the details over here. Is a company domain like which is I will get from the dashboard. Here in the security overview is in the admin.google.com. I need to go to the two-step verification SSO. This is set up a single sign-on SSO for SAML application. This is for Google itself. Set up single sign-on for third-party application with Google as the identity provider, and this one through the LDP. Set up single sign-on, manage Google account using third-party identity provider. Okay, and this is third-party application with Google, and this is third-party identity provider. So in our case, we are going with the third-party identity provider as Okta.com. So click here. Just I'm clicking, and now this is the scenario for this add SSO profile and set up SSO third party identity provider here, and the upload certificate. First I need to download the certificate, so and I will download this from the this site only. Okay, just So I am just creating the identity uh, to provide it here. Is a use Google app company domain. This is summer identity like google.com, that this one. So ACME is a, I'm creating it from here, is a workspace.google.com, current email, techizone.co.in, and it will create my identity on workspace.google. This domain name being used another Google service, domain use. Okay, so I think it's already created as a techizone dot google.com. So what I will do, I will keep it here. I just it is copying this one, pasting it here, putting zone, and once I apply this, next it will give me a SCME. It's getting this for the authentication from Google. So now let's check just. So for this actually I'm using here is admin.google.com. So I just copied this and put it here, admin.google.com. Browse plugin auto submit, automatically log on to and login page is just removing this because it will use the, why it's not clicking here. Okay, no issue. So just click on the next, and here it will show me the single sign-on required for secure web authentication. For this one, this username, password, and other than, but I am going with the SAML. So default relay is a console dot cloud dot google dot com. Okay, I can take it from here also, console dot google dot cloud dot com, this one. So whenever the user click on this, he will get the SAML authentication page. View the setup instruction, just click here, and Okta will provide you some unique details which we need to put for the configuration. Go to the security features which I already shown you here in the admin.google.com. Go to the security, from here is a security, and inside the security I have these options. So once you go to the securities, you will open the single sign on option, and here you will get single sign on page, copy paste following. So sign in page URL, just copy this, and in the admin.google.com sign in page URL, paste it here, then sign in or sign out page, and this is sign out page. Okay, control C, and this is to need to paste it here, and then you can see netmask change user password page. So it's a change user URL, password URL. Just copy it and paste it here, and after that it's asked to upload the password. No certificate has been uploaded. Okay, or use domain net mask. So how we'll get the certificate? First we need to check it. Upload the certificate option is here. Is where to certificate is here. Just click it and Okta cert. We need to upload the certificate here, which is taken from the Okta. Just go to the download Okta cert. Open. Is done. Now we'll click on save and next. So once I have uploaded the certificate, provided the sign in page and sign out page, just copying this sign in page and just enabling the SSO with third party identity provider. And before save this details, I need to let you know about the network masks. So whenever you use this network mask, suppose I have given range like 10.10.0.0/24. So the users which are related to or under that subnet mask or CIDR range, they only get the SSO for this. Apart from that, the user who is coming from the 192 dot or 172 dot, they will not get the SSO page. Means this will work for the given net mask range. Okay, so this net mask is for that only. So now I save this after enabling it. So your setting has been saved, and once I save it, I will come to the here. It's done in the uh, Okta page, and once I done this on the Okta page, I will get like this. So whatever user I will add it here, they will get where is the SSO, just putting it here. So it will again, I am going to the techie zone. So is that showing active? So once I just assign a people or any user on this, I have one user, assign, save and go back. So once I assign this user, it will replicate in the Okta site. And now if I will go and use the cloud.google.com or console.cloud.google.com, console.cloud.google.com, it will redirect to techizone.com. Just I logged in here, and I can also add the groups from here, and I go here, I will copy this page and just put it here. It will redirect. Actually this is showing because I have a single user ID, because I have created single email, purchased only one email from my techizone domain. So So it's showing me an error because I will go to the SAML page in the UI users will not sync yet. Next. Okay. So I logged in here and can see my user is there in the security tab is overview, and in the overview new I am going to the third party identity provider and just clicking here, and now you can see the SSO profile is configured. Get started. So group settings, I can add organization third party SSO profile or none if I will, because I don't have SSO profile verification, so I'm just going with the none option. It's a saved here. Again I'm going to the URL now. Our Okta is established from the admin.com, and in Okta one, in the application, whatever user I want to add it here, Okta admin console, Google Cloud Platform, just click here, and this is the Google console. From here I can assign any user or group from this, or removing the user or groups from here. So this is the in the console, this is the rule. We can go one by one on this and check what are the resources is required. Super admin rule is a group, no group is added here, and so we can add it from the Okta console. And if I want to uh, remove this configurations from here, I just go to the applications panel here in admin.google.com, and I am just clicked on the different one. So go to the securities overview in SSO here, this one. If I want to disable it, this feature, I can click on the edit part and just disable it from Okta. Okay, the same as Okta, we have another service provider for single sign-on is PinkFed. PinkFed means you can search this like in google.com is a PinkFed. This is uh, this one, Federation Identity Management Solution is a PinkFed. So it also works as same. Mm, so I will provide this URL to keep you updated. So I will provide this URL in my video, and also I will provide you the related documents as well as the Okta URL from where you can create the Okta. Or for more update on Okta or related to GCP or Azure or Terraform, continue watching my video. Thanks for watching.